fill this mini bag.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Dad. Why did that stay? Oh! That's why you said that. Ooh, that's the fire.
Which one's that?
It's all the fun part.
Yeah.
Catherine will.
Kiyan, which one do you want to try first?
No, to get that out of the way and pick.
Yeah,
No.
go with the tiny one first.
Go to tiny to
That's
large.
this one.
That.
Change the bomb.
Junebug.
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 Okay.
It looks like that.
That's the fire.
Can I open it?
Yeah, I'll open it. I don't know which side is the right one. Then you can have it. But don't touch it. It's very hot, okay?
Oh!
Remember?
Make fire.
Let's
Be
go
very
put
thick.
yeah, leave this torch. Just can't see. I'm gonna go put this on this side. We did a bit different some last year, but we borrowed some of Kiyan's stuff.
Yeah.
Push it in. Just over.
Then bang! Bang!
Yeah, this started. That's showed that's for fire lighting.
Like an incense
Yeah,
stick, yeah.
it's not gonna be glowy, but it burns very hot.
Mm.
Oh no!
No, I think it's gonna be like something like
That's good.
Yeah, just be careful with him. Right, now come back, come back, come back.
Oh no!
that was a small one.
Right, come back, come back.
Why is it not doing that?
Will do. Right, come back.
Oh.
Right, back.
Get it! Get it! Done. Oh god! Oh!
Right, back.
That was cool! Oh! 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 Oh!
Right, come on.
Why is it rolling?
It's going.
Whoa.
That was a loud one.
That was a high. Did you see it? Gone quite hard. What another one?
I didn't realise it was going to do that. If not, I would have got to the side, yeah. Right, get back. Back.
Come on, more back.
Back.
No, I'm tracking this.
No. Ooh.
Ooh, colourful! Ooh, yellow!
I think they had 3 in there.
Right, come back.
Oh, that's fine.
No, back. Yeah, back.
Back, Kiyan. Come back.
It's carnival. It's a carnival.
Did a last little pop. Right, come back.
Go back. It says put a lot in this.
Ooh.
That's why you just walk. Yeah, I'll give you. Just look like this.
I can't see it, Kiyan. You got your hand, mate.
It looks like
You
eating.
put it. Yeah, I'll give it to you. Don't get excited. This is on you.
Oh!
Yeah. Make one with John. Yeah, these are not files actually. So.
Yeah, you put your foot. Did you just see that? I put it on my foot, Daddy, look.
Yeah.
Look, I put it on my foot.
Richard said I can trick you one day.
What?
One day. Do you want to say bye-bye everybody now?
Is it? Show us your
Bye-bye.
sparkler. Let me see if we can get a picture. Say bye-bye. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.